Want to manage your computer's hardware in Windows 11? Device Manager is one of the most useful built-in tools for checking devices, drivers, and hardware problems. In this guide, I'll show you how to use it step by step. First, open Start and search for Device Manager. Select it from the results. You can also click the Start button and choose Device Manager from the menu. Device Manager organizes your hardware into categories. You'll find sections for display adapters, network adapters, Bluetooth, keyboards, mice, USB controllers, and more. Click the arrow beside any category to expand it. To inspect a device, right-click it and select Properties. The General tab shows the device status. If Windows reports that the device is working properly, there may not be a current hardware problem. Open the Driver tab to view the driver provider, date, and version. From here, you can update the driver, roll it back when available, or uninstall it for troubleshooting. For more technical details, open the Details tab. Use the Property menu to view information such as hardware IDs. These identifiers can help when you're looking for a specific driver or troubleshooting an unknown device. If you can't find a device, open the View menu and select Show Hidden Devices. You can also select Action, then scan for hardware changes to refresh the hardware list. Keep an eye out for yellow warning icons. They can indicate driver or hardware issues. Open the device's properties and check device status for an error message or code. For driver updates, you can also use Windows Update. Open Settings, select Windows Update, and check for updates. Optional updates may also include compatible hardware drivers, and that's how to use Device Manager on Windows 11. You can inspect hardware, manage drivers, find device information, and troubleshoot common problems. So, keep Device Manager in mind whenever a piece of hardware isn't working as expected.